In this video, I'm going to show you how to report someone on Discord mobile. So how you report someone on Discord depends on what you want to report them for. For example, if you want to report a message that they sent or a photo or a video, then you need to find it and then tap and hold on it. And then scroll down and tap report. And then from in here, you would choose what type of report you would like to make. So for example, if it was spam, you would choose spam and then press submit report. However, if you want to report something on someone's profile, then you need to open their profile, press on the three dots in the top right, and then come down to the bottom and tap report user profile, and then press next, and then you can tap on whatever is relevant. So if it's something in there about me, you would press that, or if it was their username, you would press that. So that's how to report someone on Discord mobile.